In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the sorry we ran into a problem loading this app error in Microsoft Copilot. If Microsoft Copilot is not opening properly and you keep seeing this message, don't worry. In many cases, the issue is caused by a temporary app glitch, a browser problem, an expired sign-in session, or even a service outage on Microsoft's side. The good news is that there are several simple things you can try to get it working again. To begin, restart your web browser if you're using Copilot online, or restart the Microsoft Copilot application if you're using the desktop app. This helps clear temporary issues that may be preventing the app from loading correctly. While you're doing that, also make sure your internet connection is stable, since Copilot depends on an active connection to communicate with Microsoft servers. Next, sign out of your Microsoft account inside the Copilot app or web page. Wait a few seconds, then sign back in. This refreshes your session and can often fix loading errors caused by authentication problems or account sync issues. If you're using Copilot in a browser such as Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, the next thing to do is clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browsing data can sometimes interfere with how web apps load. Once you've cleared that data, reopen the browser and try Copilot again. If you're using the Copilot app on a Windows PC, open the Start menu, go to Settings, and then select Apps. From there, click Installed Apps and search for Microsoft Copilot. When you find it, click the three dots next to the app and choose Advanced Options. In that menu, scroll down and click the Repair button. This is a useful first option because it attempts to fix the app without deleting your data. Give Windows a moment to complete the repair, then open Copilot again to see if the issue is resolved. If repairing the app doesn't work, go back to the same menu and click the Reset button. This restores Copilot to its default state, which can help if the app's settings or internal files have become corrupted. Finally, check the Microsoft Service Health page online. If Microsoft is experiencing a temporary outage or server-side issue, the problem may not be on your device at all, and you may simply need to wait until the service is restored.